Hello everyone, welcome to today's unboxing video. I'm so excited because we're opening up brown paper packages. I love this box, it's always so fun to open. So if you don't know what this is, let me tell you a little bit about it. Brown paper packages is a lifestyle subscription, but it's really unique and so fun. So it's bi-monthly, meaning you get it every other month. I love that, meaning you get time to use your items, you don't get bombarded with it, and you also spend less money. So love, love, love that. All the items are based on a theme. The way they present this box is unlike any other subscription. It is seriously such a pleasure to open. It's like Christmas every time I get this box. I freaking love it. I cannot remember what the theme is. They usually give you a sneak peek, or they always give you a sneak peek the box prior. I can't remember. So we're gonna see together, open this, and you're gonna see, if you haven't seen this box before, it is quite the unboxing experience. It's a blast for me. It's so fun to open because it's so pretty, and also the items are awesome. This is from Canada, so of course you can get it in the US because that's where I am, but so all my Canadian friends, you guys can get this as well. This is by the Hutch sisters. They kindly send this to me, free for review, but not sponsored or affiliated. So link below, check them out. They're awesome, and let's get started. I'm so excited. It's cooking the theme. Look at how cute it is. Seriously, from the very start. I want to start singing Sound of Music, like of course brown paper packages, so I want to be like, let's start from the very beginning. Okay, I'm not going to do that to you guys. Especially, I don't have much of a singing voice, but I also just got over a cold. Midnight Express is the theme because it says on the sticker every month. Midnight Express, that sounds fun. Let's see what's on top here. Happy Home double-sided fabric placemat. Ooh. Cool. So this side is black and white. Well, this is white and black. Mostly white. So it has like coffee on it, wine, martini, my favorite things. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This is awesome. I love this. And yeah, it's reversible. So if you like one, I think I like this because less white to spill on, you know, with that red wine. I'm a red wine girly. What about you guys? Okay, yay, let's get started. Let's see. I like how everything's all darkly wrapped with Midnight Express. So this is the February and March box, by the way. So right on top we have this little pamphlet here that talks about all the items inside with pricing. I believe they list all the pricing in Canadian dollars. So super excited. Is there anything we need to read from here? Whether midnight is your time to shine or your time to chill, this box has you covered in all the right shades. I'm usually asleep at midnight, but every once in a while I'll be up having some wine or something. Ooh, I'm so excited. Oh, and the next theme is Dewdrop Delight, which starts shipping April 1st. Okay, we're gonna put this to the side. Oh, should we look? So this is this on here? Is this like a little extra? This might be a little extra. I don't see it on here, so thank you. You guys, everything looks cute. Let's start right here. Look at how it's wrapped. Even there's like rhinestones there. Are this pens? Are there pens? And then I just destroy the box. Or is it chopsticks? It's chopsticks! Oh my god, they're so cute. I love black and gold. So 2 sets of chopsticks. Is there something else in here, or is it just the box holding them? Oh, there is a little tray, I believe. Oh my gosh, I don't own any chopsticks. I might have like some in like a little, you know, that I got from like the Thai place, but not like reusable ones. And then we have this little bowl for like our soy sauce or whatever. I like this. Oh my god, yay! How fun! Like, this is so different. I don't have anything like this. This is awesome. So, okay, start off with the bang. See, you get unique items in this box. It's so fun. Next, oh, owl. They're up late. What is it? It's soft. It's a pretty scarf with a little owl clip here. Oh my god, I really like this gray and the black together. This is so cute. This is fun, like this little removable, or like movable, yeah, removable and movable little thing here. You can wear it however you want, but you know what I mean? I like the black and the gray of this a lot. It's like silver, actually. This is really cute scarf. I don't know if I'll keep, oh, I do love owls, but I like the scarf a lot. But I may have to give it to my mom, I don't know. I always give my mom any scarves I get. She's more of a scarf girly, but I really like this one. This is so fun. It goes, like black and silver go with Midnight Express, that's for sure. There's still so many things. Look at this. Has some like Louboutins on there. Red bottom shoes. Ooh, bath bombs. This one's a shower spritzer, energizing. Ooh, and it says like eucalyptus or peppermint. Awesome. And then by Aroma Botanical. Ooh, citrine. I love that. It's a crystal. Creativity, confidence, and energy. Oh my god, it's a candle. Botanical wax candle with real citrine crystals. I love citrine. It says the citrine crystals in this beautiful botanical wax candle encourage creativity and self-expression while promoting productivity and motivation. Fresh citrus top notes of grapefruit and lemon enhance the refreshing herbal heart of peppermint and rosemary with a warm juniper base. Hand poured with natural, ecologically sustainable botanical wax in a custom blend of Australian essential oils and pure extracts. It's a woodwick candle too. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This is so cute. This is a burnt time at least hours. Oh my gosh. This smells so good. Look how cute this is. And look, you can see the citrine. So you have a crystal when it's all done. It's woodwick. Oh my god, this is perfect to put like on the side of your bath. You could put these in the bath too, you know, or in your shower. I'm a shower person mostly. This smells so good. I can just, oh my god. It smells so good. And I love citrine. Okay, I said that right. Let's keep going. Oh my god, this is the cutest sponge bed. Look at the bed. What was I saying I do at midnight? I sleep. I'm in my bed. A sponge bed? This is so funny. I could use a sponge. I need to clean more, to be honest. This is my reminder. Kitchen sponge holder. So it comes with a sponge and you put it in this little bed. That's hilarious. Like, so random, but so fitting with this. Give your sponge a rest after it does all that hard work. This is awesome. I love that. It's hilarious. Next up, oh, look at a little sleepy bear. Emmy's just staring at me. Emmy, come here. Oh my god, do we have another set? We have another set. Or is this something different? We have another shower spritzer, relaxation. Ooh. Well, this is one's more like lavender. And then what's this? Is this another candle or is this something different? Yes. Oh my god, so we have this one's for sleep. Well-being aromatherapy candle. This is made with lavender, bergamot, geranium, marjoram, and cedarwood essential oils. Ooh, so bedtime when I can leave this one by my bed. So exciting. Yeah, this is definitely more relaxing. The other one was more uplifting, which definitely goes with citrine. So cute. I'm like obsessed with these little guys. Yay. I wasn't expecting more than one. Next up. Oh, I wonder what this is. Oh, and here's some string. Oh, we always get something by Stray Cat Cosmetics, and we have something by them here. I love them. They're a Canadian company, but they also donate some of their proceeds to animal charities. Love that. And this is some gel eyeliner in Noir, some black. I haven't used a gel liner in a while. I'm trying to get more into makeup. Well, I am getting more into makeup. And I'm liking it. I'm even trying to like do my hair. I don't know, you can't really tell, but I did like dry it today with like a brush dryer thing. I normally just air dry. I don't think you can tell. I got a first haircut in years. I've like trimmed it myself, but I have like got a few layers. It's still really long. You can't even like really tell, but it was like even longer. Like, but anyways, this isn't about me. So you have our eyeliner here, our gel eyeliner. I do have little eyeliner brushes that'll be perfect for this. So I'm excited to try it out. I'm using like brown eyeliner lately, but I should use black. This box is making one. Oh man, we have like 3 items left still? There's so much. I haven't even been referring to this, but that's okay. Isn't it just so fun to open? Oh my gosh. Looks like earrings. Oh, they're so cute. They're little foxes. A little fox and a little sparkly tail. Is it not focusing? Let's take it out of the plastic. My bad. Hopefully now it'll focus a little better. Super cute. I don't know, I can't tell if you could see all the details of the little faces. And the little noses have little rhinestone. That's cute. 2 things to go. Look at that little midnight sky. Ooh. We have Deb's wood oven pizza gourmet dip and seasoning mix. I think I've gotten some from them before. I made a dip. What do you need for this? So you need 1 package of sour cream and 1 cup of mayonnaise. Oh, I don't like mayonnaise. Oh, a healthy alternative is you can use light cream cheese. Ooh, phew. That sounds really good. So it's like a cheesy dip, and here's all of like the seasoning that you put with it. Oh my god, that sounds really good. Wood oven pizza with the cream cheese. Oh, I want cream cheese. It's Monday when I'm filming this, and I'm starting to be healthy because I was on vacation. I was sick. I feel like I gained weight. And, you know, I was having fun. So I'm like, I need to be healthy. And I'm like, I don't really need cream cheese, but I want it. I probably get the full fat one, but I could get the light cream cheese. This sounds so good. I want some. Okay. And then by Gourmet du Village, spicy chicken wing seasoning. So we got all the seasonings here. So this is made with dehydrated vegetables, onion, garlic, chive, bell pepper, spices, sea salt, and natural flavor. See, I don't eat chicken wings, but I can put these on like cauliflower. Ooh, I am getting hungry and I want something with really good seasoning now. Yum. And then there's like a little thing here. I think this is like there's a recipe for wood oven pizza dip here. So this says, ooh, this is more. Oh my god, this looks really good. So the package of this, then 2 cups of cream cheese, 2 cups of grated mozzarella cheese, 1 cup of marinara, 2 to 3 cups of your favorite pizza toppings. And for serving, bagel chips, pita chips, sliced baguette rounds. I can feel my mouth like salivating right now. That sounds so good. Oh my gosh. We're going to need some. Here's Emmy. Where have you been? And then the last thing here. Let's see what this is. What is it, Emmy? She probably likes this sound. It might be annoying to you. So much stuff. Isn't it so fun and so good? Ooh. This is a pretty black scarf. Okay, let's see. Is it a shawl or scarf? Or we had the night owl scarf. This is a fringed vest. Even better. Oh my god, cool. I had a feeling it was going to be something different. Okay, so you put your head through it. There's my baby girl. Emmy. Oh, you don't put your head through it. It's a vest. I'm like down for it. Oh my god, for a second I was like, please don't let my fly be down. Sometimes. I think I can totally make some outfits with this. Maybe not the exact outfit, but this is cool and I like the length of it. I like this. What do you think? Yeah. And I'm wearing like little jorts right now. But I have to figure out ways to style this. But I like this. This is fun. Oh my god, this box is so fun to open. I mean, like a mess everywhere, but it's a mess with fun stuff I can't wait to get into. Oh my god, this is the best box. I love it. Let me know what you guys think. I'm going to link them down below. Thank you, Brown Paper Packages. Thank you, Hutch Sisters, for sending this to me. Thank you for you guys for being here. I'm truly so grateful for each and every one of you. I love you guys so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, leave a comment. Do something special for yourself today. You deserve it. I love you. Bye.